Hey guys, so I got another unboxing for you today. It is the EGO 530, I think. Yeah, 530 CFM blower. I think it's the smallest one they make, but it's the one item that I don't have yet. So I figured I'd pick it up and we'll take a look. It's actually bigger than I thought. It is, yes indeed. Where's that go? Right there. Yep, there we go. Not sure what that is. I'm sure the directions will say. And we got another charger we don't need. Literature we won't read. And a battery. Come on. Oh, it's another one without the fuel gauge. Now I've got two without the fuel gauge. I don't like that. I like the fuel gauge. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, that's plenty enough. All right. Wow. So I'm going to get this charged up and then we'll play around with it. All right. Have a little overview of how this thing does. Now, full disclosure, this isn't the battery it came with, but it is a 2.5, same thing. All right. I kind of like that turbo. Let's go over there. Hard part is I do kind of stay on top of things around here, so there's not many leaves to blow, but there's a hesitation when I pull the trigger. So I'm going to pull it now. And I'm going to let off it now. I don't like the hesitation. I mean, a lot of times in my line of work, I'm stopping because somebody's walking by and I don't know. Maybe I just have to get used to it. We'll try to back pedal. Like I said, there's not much here to blow around. Could have used this today at work though. The turbo is instant, that's good. Does it balance? Oh, it does, just like my Craftsman. Sweet. So my thoughts. As with everything EGO I've tried, it impresses me, the power out of such a small unit. What worries me is the battery life. And because I do this for a living, I don't just go out and, blow the lawn down. I blow everybody's lawn down. So I am worried that I need to rely on the batteries and my power saw, my hedge trimmer, my string trimmer, my mower. So I think I'll use the battery it came with and just that. And when it dies for the day, use the Craftsman blower after that. Just for now, just to see how well it's going to work. But yeah, so far, I mean, we've already killed 1 bar on the battery with just what we've done. But I wasn't sure I wanted to upload this as it is because it's a short one, but I think I'm going to. Yeah, sweet. It's got this little button here. You push the button somehow, some way to separate the tube. There you go. It comes apart, and presumably there's something else. Oh, maybe that's the gutter cleaning, because there's another attachment point right up there. So that's probably the, yeah, that's probably the gutter cleaning part. But all right, there we go. So I picked this up for $179 before tax. It came out to $193, I think, after tax, at my local Ace Hardware. It was on sale, so there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.